Hi everybody, so I am going to be doing a video today with some Lottie London products. I want to do something that's super effortless and summery, something that will be on the go, get it done in no time. Let's get into it. We'll start off with some concealer and powder. All products will be listed below. I'm only using concealer and powder on discoloration that is in one area, and I've been doing electrolysis, so there is a little bit in this area. I'm not going to be evening out my skin tone because of my freckles. If I do, it's going to start to look masky, whereas if I do this, I can get away with it. And then this darkens up the concealer. Like my skin tone, okay. I'm hoping it looks like my skin tone. In real life it does. Bronzer by Lottie London. This is the coconut scented bronzer Sunkissed in the color Suncatcher, and it is beautiful, perfect for my skin tone. Ooh. Oh, that smells good. I haven't tried these products yet. They were sent to me, so I wanted to give them a go. Oh, oh, oh. I like how, not just mine, but anyone's, I like how freckles look with bronzer over them. So I'm just touching some bronzer on the corners of my forehead and down here. And I'm going to take a clean brush after and blend this out. This is pretty pigmented, as you can see, but like I said, I am going to blend this out. I actually don't think I'm going to use a clean brush. I think I'm just going to really get off the excess here. And buff that in. I'm not going to be doing an eye look today. When I wear makeup in the summer, I like it to be like minimum makeup. So I do minimum makeup. I do like skin, basically. And that's it. I don't do eyes. I do curl my eyelashes. I'm gonna add a touch more over here. Now I'm gonna take for blush the Ombre blush, and it is in the color Haze. It's this beautiful peach to pink color, but it's like an orange toned pink. I don't know if you could tell. I really like this color. This is totally something I would go for. Oh, I love that. Oh, I think I might have found a new favorite. This is really pretty. I don't do blush on the nose like crazy like some people do. I just do a touch because when I get sunburnt, that is where I get sunburnt. And I do a touch up here. And you can really blend this blush out too. Like, do not keep it like any stark lines or anything like that. I'm actually gonna curl my lashes now. Don't ask me why I'm doing it in this order. I don't know. I know that that doesn't make a huge difference and don't care. This is what I'm most excited for. If you're familiar with my channel, you know I love highlight. This is the Diamond Bounce Illuminating Highlighter in the color Frosted by Lottie London, of course. And it is so beautiful. It's like that, it reminds me of the highlighters from another brand that are the shimmer with no underlying base pigment. So it's just the shimmer. It looks like glass on your skin almost. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna actually just use a brush for this. Normally I would use my finger, but I want it to be more blown out. So what I do is I apply that. And then I am going to dust off the excess and really buff that in. This is not a brush I would normally use for buffing, but okay, and then I am going to take a setting spray, and that is going to marry everything together. And I am going to do lips. For lips, I am going to use a nude lip liner. Just la la. Plumped AF Lottie London Sheer Plumping Lip Gloss in the color Peach Please. Peach is one of my favorite lip colors, so I'm excited for this. I haven't tried this yet. It looks beautiful. It feels great. Ooh. If you wanted to be a bit extra, I wouldn't do too much of this because I don't want any like dramatics when it comes to eyes or anything, but you could take a touch of the highlighter and just apply it right in here. There we go. And if you wanted to do an eye, you could do an eye look with this on the lid, this in the crease, and this on the inner corner, and a little bit on the brow bone, and you're good to go. You have your whole face, and it's 3 products. So I really like these. I like Lottie London products. They've sent me a few, and I think the star for me, might be the blush. Actually, You know I'm heavy-handed. There we go. I am all done, and it took me no time. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. These products are in Walmart Canada. I think that's why I'm on their PR list, because I'm in Canada, and you can buy these at Walmart. So I would definitely give them a look if you are wanting something inexpensive and good quality. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.